most nights that you're calling, you sound sad and alone and you're stalling. And for once I don't care about what you want, as long as we keep talking. I mean, you gotta admit, the history's kind of unmatched. Asian Calvinism, we made it out of that. But whether we're free will or predestined, clearly I've not learned my lesson even now. Hope he doesn't strike me down. The Goo Goo dolls are dead to me, the way you should be too. But you bring them up, along with how much I fucking miss you. Maybe I'm just not better than this, I haven't tried. Maybe life's less romantic when I don't wanna die. You'd think I'd be a fast learner, but guess I won't ever mind crisping up on your back burner. It's pathetic, but at least you are too. I don't know what to do. I don't like anyone except sometimes you. And now you're sounding like a hurt puppy. You look ugly when you cry, but I'm the one you think to call. How do you feel? Lucky and appalled at the same time. After everything you put me through, I somehow still believe in you. Oh, but I know in a week or so you'll fade away again, and I wish that I cared. Hey, are you still there?